Hello. In this video you are going to create a Ec2 machine on AWS environment. So you can type here console aws.amazon.com. In the console you click on Ec2, then you click in launch instance. If you only free machines, you can click here, free tier on. You can select the first one. You don't have to change nothing here. Click on next for instance details. You don't need to change nothing here. No, there is nothing here to change it for now. Clicking next storage. Storage is the specification of storage of your machine. Next, you're going to have tags. Tags are a way to identify your machine. Free blog. It's a way to identify name. First, this machine. This is a easy way to identify. You can put the project. But it's not required to do that. It's good for you to identify when you have lots of resources on Amazon. It's a good way to identify that resource. But no, it's not required. You can click configure security group. In security group, you are going to change something here. You can add some rule, because here in security group is when you open the ports to the world. So the only part is open for default is the part 22, where you can access your machine by SSH. Maybe you can access some HTTP application on your Amazon machine. You can add another rule. Maybe you want to access a Postgres database on your machine. So you have to open the parts you want to use. And click next, review and launch. That is here from where you want to open your address. So you can click here. You can copy here. Copy the same address here. Paste it here. Is our network address. Click in next. And in review, you don't need to change anything, and click on launch. Here there is a key pair. The first time you come here, you have to create your key pair and give it a name. I have one already. This is the second key pair. And download that key pair. You have to use one key pair to access many machines. But the first time you have to name a new key pair, click in download. So you can launch your instance. You have to pay attention where you download the key pair, because you need to access that key pair to access your machine by SSH. So let's launch the machine. Machine is launching now. If you click here on the identification of your machine, you can see here in this console that your machine is starting now. It can take some time, so be patient a little bit. So here your machine running, and you can refresh here to see if all is ready. And now you are going to access our machine. So you select your machine here, go in Action, Connect. In Connect, Amazon will give some instruction here. You have to run this command on your key pair. The key pair we download some step back, and here is the DNS name, the public DNS name of your machine. Here is why you should access your machine. So how you can use SSH to access our machine? The best way to access our machine is by download a bash tool, the git bash download. You can click here and download the git bash, download for Windows. And I already have my git bash here, so I will not download. After you download, and you can click here and bash, open git bash. Yeah, you can go to where you download your key pair. It was in CD, my home folder, download. Where is my key pair? My key pair is here, second key pair. And let's see, Amazon said you to run this command, change the permission of your key pair. And you can paste here, you change the permission. And this is the command you use to connect to your machine. You can type this command, but you can only copy, paste here, and we are going to access our EC2 machine. Type confirmation here, and here you are on our EC2 machine, our Linux machine on the cloud. You are using super user here to update your machine. So let's update our package manager. Yum. Oh, updating man -y. So here are our package manager was updated, and here you can install a small a very low server, web server, and yum. Well, HTTP. Is a Apache server, you can go to where www. and we are going to HTML. We're going to create a small message here. HTML. A small message here, just to see if our machine is working. Ec2. Hello. Cloud for Java. Ec2. We put this message here on our index.html. Let's do a little better here. We create our small index.html page here, and we're going to start the HTTP start service HTTP start. So let's see if your machine is okay now. Can open our browser here. Let's take you need our public DNS here. So we copy it here, we copy it here. Let's put it here. Here is our application on the cloud. So that's it, guys. And this is our first access to our Ec2 machine, and we deployed our first website on the machine. And that's it for now. Remember to subscribe this channel. Remember to click on the notification bell to receive the new videos I will share here. I will share lots of amazing videos and to teach everybody how to use cloud computing, how to use cloud computing without spending lots of time and without spending lots of money, just for fun, and to use your application to be prepared to be a cloud developer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.